found these at Dollar Tree a while back, and I did review on them. They're the X4 turret for the Dollar Tree Final Faction action figure toys. And I thought they were pretty cool. Instead of using the missiles, I found some gun barrels to put into the point tips of these to turn them into gunning platforms. I found that the tops of these can pop off really easy, and the legs are very articulated. I thought these would make cool little drones for my action figures. If you pop the tops off of them, it leaves you with this little peg, and that peg just happens to be the same size as a Lego, which you can screw on or glue on a Lego piece to make it accept Legos. I made a little robotic arm. If I had more pieces, I would have made a more elaborate robotic arm for this, but I just used what I had. For this one, I used some Bionicle pieces to create a little robot. I still don't have a whole lot to work with, so I might continue to swap pieces out to make them into another type of robot. I'll have to continue to experiment with this Lego idea. I think I'm onto something. What do you guys think? Do you like combining your Legos with other toys? Come up with different things? Also, what do you think of these X4 robots? I like them. I think they're pretty cool. Very customizable. If you have any customs, let me see them in the social media, and don't forget to tag me. Well, that's all I have for you. Let me know if you like experimentation videos like this. I don't mind sharing. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. And click that like button. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.